So at Tenda stall, I met Mr. Amit Gupta. He is sales head for India. Tenda, am I right, sir?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
sales director for India.
ओके सो ही सेल्स डायरेक्टर फॉर इंडिया और इनसे बातचीत करेंगे क्योंकि टेंडा के इस बूथ पे मैंने बहुत रश देखा, बहुत सारे पार्टनर्स जो कि प्रोडक्ट के बारे में जानना चाह रहे हैं. हम अपनी ऑडियंस को बताना चाहेंगे टेंडा ने और फॉर्च्यून के साथ मिलकर यहाँ पे जो पार्टनरशिप किया है उसका मकसद क्या, ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या, रिजल्ट क्या मिलने वाला है.
The main motto is to show our products, our product line, which is a vast product line. People know us with Soho products like routers mainly,
Right.
but we have lot many more products other than routers. Like we have switches, access points, mesh routers,
Right.
FTTH products.
Right.
So there are so many products that we have which people are actually not aware of.
Okay.
So the main purpose of having this or participating in this exhibition was to showcase our entire product range.
Okay. So awareness is one reason because आपने सही बोला, टेंडा के लिए लोगों को लगता था कि सिर्फ एक राउटर आ रहा है, बट दे हैव द कंप्लीट नेटवर्किंग सॉल्यूशन फॉर एंटरप्राइज, फॉर स्मॉलर बिजनेस. एम आई राइट सर? और हाउ डू यू सी द एसोसिएशन गोइंग विद द फॉर्च्यून? अब इंडिया में बन रहा है ये.
Fortune has been our exclusive partner for a very long time, and the association is only getting stronger. They are our right partner since they have a very good and very vast reach across India in every nook and corner. So we are leveraging out their infrastructure and their reachability to reach out to our customers all across India.
Right. And sir, if you can tell me about the top 3 products, okay, as AI, we are living in now in an AI world. 2026 में the trend will change, a lot of change, adoption will happen. So where do you see the top 3 products which you are having will definitely gain a traction in next year?
See, basically, since I told you earlier, we were known as a router company. Router definitely is a strong product of ours because we are a Soho company. But now the trends have changed. We have got into enterprise solutions. And if you talk about enterprise solutions, we have switches, we have access points, which are going very strong. And I see a exponential growth in these 2 products.
And sir, one thing, can you share about the partners, the smaller partners in different cities? बहुत लोगों से आप मिलते होंगे रेगुलर डे टू डे लाइफ में, तो उनके लिए टेंडा का इस तरह से एग्रेसिव होना, हाउ नाउ दे सी इट? बिकॉज आप मेक इन इंडिया, इंडियन प्रोडक्ट भी है अब, तो आप वो चेंज शिफ्ट कैसा देखते हैं उनके माइंडसेट पे?
So basically, we have started made in India products with TC certified products. And they are very happy looking at the vast product range that we are carrying. Earlier, they used to run for alternatives which was not available in the market. And they now see Tenda as fulfilling all their needs under one roof in all networking and solution products.
Right. So let's conclude this discussion because you need to give more time to your partners who are visiting this stall, because partner is the reason why you are successful in Indian market. तो 2025 के लिए थैंक यू, और 2026 की उम्मीदें क्या है आपका?
We need to cater to not only Soho segment but also to enterprise segment, and we need to go strong in entire Indian market and capture the market basically and provide the right solution to our partners. This is very important because a lot of customers, they don't get the right solution. They are either given a lower solution or a very high solution which they don't require.
Right.
But we are here to cater to their need. We have different products for different category of solutions.
Right. So means you rightly said, sir, it's about to change your mindset about Tenda. Tenda is catering to the enterprise solutions as well, SMEs also. So reach out to the Fortune people, और सर से आप connect कर सकते हैं over the LinkedIn, और Fortune has a branches everywhere, I guess, na?
Yes, Fortune has got branches everywhere, and we are available in Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook. Please do connect with us. We will provide you the right solutions.
Great. Thank you so much. Thanks for your valuable time. It's great to have a such chat with you. Thank you so much, sir.